Fat guys in a little cone.
Donuts around a cone.
Hold that. Point it at me. Ready? Just like 3.
Wobble, wobble, wobble.
Oh God. All right, what's up everybody? I need to apologize in advance. I'm starting this video at, hey, what time is it? It's officially 6:48 at night. We are at, it's getting dark. We're officially at Texas Lone Star Bash, our last hoorah of the season. I haven't been filming anything today up until this point for 2 big reasons. One, I've got a huge surprise to show all y'all because I've been kind of trying to keep it as much of a secret as I possibly can. But I want to show you guys something I bought, and I'll explain more as to why I bought it and all everything else later. But I've been also just kind of like testing stuff today, and I kind of forgot to throw the GoPro on my helmet, so I feel kind of bad for y'all. I swear to God, I'm gonna get more video for tomorrow, so I can show you guys more of what's going on, get some more GoPro video, work out my microphone issue, and get some in-car audio because I think you guys like that. But first things first, I need to tell you guys what it is I bought and why. So, without further ado, I bought
It's a Miata!
Yes, guys, I bought a Miata. I finally decided I'm going to buy a car to do something with. I'm not 100% on drifting it yet, but I've been out here testing it today. And I've been working out a lot of little bugs, learning the car a lot. That's why I haven't been able to like film, or why I haven't been filming, and I feel kind of bad. So I'm going to do like extra hard work tomorrow to film as much as I can to show you guys everything that happens, especially when it comes down to driving at these events, because these events are so much fun, especially me being like, this is like my first time for me to actually drive at one of these events. I'm having a ball. As you guys can hear, we're still out there driving. We're pretty much probably gonna drift until Aaron yells at us. So, but yeah, it's been awesome. I've been enjoying it. I'll kind of explain more later as to why I bought the Miata, but for the time being, I bought a Miata. I bought an NA 93 1.6 Miata 5-speed, and I am loving it. I'm probably gonna get so much shit for it, but I love it. It's awesome. What was that? You want to go, boy? What's that? I'm just gonna key yours then. How's that sound, son of a bitch? That's Adrian, everybody, by the way. If you guys saw, I've got video from before. I'll put it in now. We're actually in yours is an NA, but yours is a 1.8 NA, right?
96 M edition.
Yeah. He's got the 1.8. We were out and driving before, and I'll put the clip over it here. Thing's awesome. I may have to do a 1.8 swap. I might just have to, because this thing just does not have enough power. That's always a problem though. Never has enough power. It's been a fun day. We've been out driving all day. Sam's been enjoying himself with the 86. I don't have a lot of video from that. I might stick a camera in with him tomorrow. I'm not sure yet. I don't know. What do you say, Sam? That'd be cool. What do you think about today? About driving today on this track? Fun? He's horrible on camera, I swear to God. You want to stop talking, just stick him on camera. What do you think?
Yeah, dude, every time I watch his YouTube videos, I'm like, God, save me. No, I think it's badass, dude. Like, no lie. Like, everything's been good. Car's been running good. All of our cars are getting dialed in. And best way you can put it, it's Bash, man. It's Bash, baby.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, everybody, Hollywood, YouTube, Hollywood, he drives a Mark III. Oh, I screwed it up. I said Mark II earlier. You got a little mad. Mark III 1J Super. But yeah, so that's the majority of what the Bash is right there. It's just a good time. There's no points race this weekend. No one's racing for the trophy anymore. We're done with the season. This is us just having our last big hoorah. Let's have fun. Let's break some shit kind of a thing, you know? That's what I call it, the Bash. All right, everybody. Well, I'm gonna put the camera down for now. We're gonna finish up. I'm cooking right now. And then we'll cut back in a little bit, probably like an hour or two when things kind of, I guess, calm down here. I gotta finish cooking. We are smoking food today because smoker is life. and I'll get back to y'all in just a little bit. Ready? Hold out. You point it at me. Ready? We had to lower your car.
You lowered it.
Yep.
Okay, don't hurt yourself.
It's got mad stats now. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It's officially day 2. I got really banged up last night. As probably all may or may not have seen. Hopefully, I didn't show too much. We're back. It's officially day 2, last day of the bash. We're having fun today. As you saw, Sam's taking the Miata out right now for a test drive to see if it's running any better. We ended up taking it out. As you guys probably just saw, I took it out before. I'm still learning the car a lot. This track is not friendly for beginners, but I'm still feeling out the car a lot. I did speak with our buddy Hollywood, but about setting the camber in the front. We did manage to adjust the camber plates out front of it, give it a little more of a stance, a little more grip for when we're driving. It did make a huge difference. Sadly, I don't have any video of me when I first put it out there with the camera because it was running pretty good. But Sam's gonna take it out right now, and he's gonna see if there's anything else we can do, see if there's how it feels, because again, I'm still kind of new to this thing, so I'm just trying to throw it as it is, and I'm probably doing something wrong, so I'm gonna have him double check me on that. Aside from that, we're just kind of hanging out today. We're still having fun today. I'm shooting as much video as I can for everybody today because, like I said yesterday, I kind of dropped the ball on that one. I didn't shoot like anything, and I feel bad about it. So today I'm gonna just film as much as I physically can so that I can give more content for you guys from today. So, all right, everybody. So, we got a line of Miatas here. We're about to do something really dumb. It's like almost all the Miatas that are here, more or less. I think we're waiting on what, one more person?
So we would have both of us then, like do those around one cone, and then maybe another set of Miatas around another one. And
And with that, we decided it was pretty much time to call it for the day. The event was over. We were kind of wore out. It was getting kind of cold. It was just pretty much time to call it a day. So I do want to say thank you to everyone who helped us out with the donut portion of the video. It was awesome you guys came out and did that. You didn't have to. You guys didn't have to hang out with us. It was just a really fun time. I say thank you to all my friends, everyone I met, and all the new people. Welcome to everybody that I met there. It was awesome. First time driving this car at an event, first time being a participant in one of these events. I've been here as a spectator and as a crew member, but I've never really participated. So this was an awesome experience for me. So thank you guys. Now enjoy this little bit of me trying to put the Miata on the trailer because it was actually way more difficult than I thought.
All right, everybody. So we're pretty much done for the day. We just stopped over here at Brahms to grab something to eat or something to drink before we head back to Graham, which is only about a 30-minute drive, so it's not too bad. Try not to shake right now. It's actually still really cold. The temperature just dropped on us again. But yeah, we're just getting ready to head home. Had an awesome weekend. Everything, nothing broke, didn't get hurt, so it's always a good weekend. So yeah. So I'm gonna say thank you all for watching today. It was an awesome day. Hopefully I'll see you all in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, all the usual stuff. Or thumbs down, I don't know. Get the fuck out of here. Get out of here. All right, guys. Thank you all for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video. And as always, enjoy life. All right, it's time to